Hi guys. You do it. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hey, go to Mama. So this. Why you came again here?
You are going home, right? Go fast. Go.
So this is called Badwadipati event. So we will ask you the question. You need to answer it. Okay. So first my question is. First question, if you answer this, you will get 5,000 rupees.
Only 5,000?
Yeah. So first question is, if you are who killed Katappa?
Killed Katappa.
Yes, tell that Bahubali.
Hey, in that movie he didn't die only. That Katappa killed Bahubali, but
Katappa killed Mahendra Bahubali, not Amahendra Bahubali. You are giving wrong answer, guys. What I asked, that only you should answer. I asked who killed Katappa. That is
no one.
Hey, no one. Why he will? But the God will kill one day.